sker på höger sida.
I honestly don't want to wash these at all, but I think it's the best just in case. And by the way, I think I might return these. The cream one I can't even open, and this one in the front I don't really like the color of. While all of the things are drying, I'm going to hang up the curtains. I just finished building these two. I'm gonna put them with my plates. And also, I haven't mentioned this, but I haven't had internet since on Monday. And I'm not gonna have internet until next Monday. So I guess you could say I'm detoxing, doing a social media detox or like internet detox. Because I also don't have like any more on my phone. Now I think I'm gonna do these, and I'm not gonna really film it because I don't think it's that fun to watch, but they're just gonna go in the drawers. I think it's hailing. It's freaking hailing in July. Oh, it's getting stronger now. You can hear it downstairs. It started thundering now. This is crazy. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my new shoes. I want to make a haul for you where I show everything I got. Here are the things I got. I didn't get anything like super fun, but the bag is pretty cute. And actually, I did also get these. I almost forgot, but I got this, and I was thinking of using it underneath my pillow. I switched to PJs and made my dinner. For this vase, I was thinking of using it as my diffuser, and then this one I might use for hair stuff. I don't know why, but like this velvet is everywhere. I don't love velvet, but I was thinking if I use this like this, because I want to sleep on my back and I want my like head in a little hole. Hopefully it works. Okay, this is the last thing. I got these two. I'm pretty tired from yesterday. I was out for like 6 hours, so I'm wearing my PJs. I honestly almost always do if I'm not leaving the house. But I think I'm gonna keep organizing everything I got from IKEA, like my spices and stuff like that. My bangs decided not to listen, so I'm putting them in a timeout. Here I put away some things. This, by the way, is for like mice and insects. I actually don't know what I'm gonna put in these, so I might not take them out. And then the spice jars are here behind, hiding a little bit. Please don't mind my towels. I just don't have anywhere else to hang them right now. I'm thinking maybe we should remove this because I got paprika powder. That's scaring me a little bit. Maybe I'll do that one over the counter. Okay, let's just start. Okay, I think we're at my favorite one right now. This huge one, and I'm gonna fill it with these. I don't know why I love them, but they're so freaking delicious. And it only takes 3 minutes. I've already eaten like more than half, but let's see. I think one whole package will fit in this jar. And by the way, why I'm doing this is because I don't want any bugs getting in my food. Right now though, I don't know exactly where to fit everything because I don't have my shelves that are going to be here. So maybe I'll just put them back up there, or maybe I could move some of these up there instead. Maybe something like this. I honestly don't want these 4 things here, but yeah, this will do for now. I think the last thing I'm gonna film is putting up my skirts. And by the way, I also got this ironing board from IKEA. Right now I have my bottoms right here. I'm thinking of bringing all of these when I visit my parents, so they'll stay right there. Okay, that is it for today.